Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to come to you with the items that I picked up so far from 24P, the commercial collection. We talked about it last week. So this collection actually becomes widely available in the United States on January 25th. There was a small VIC client preview at my local Chanel, so I checked that out today. I picked up a few items. I'm also still waiting for a few more items to come in. And by a few more items, I mean ready to wear in my size. This is the thing. If you are not a size, or I guess maybe I should state this positively. Let me do the positive spin. If you are a size 34, 36, 38, even 40, you are so lucky and should be shopping Chanel ready to wear in the boutiques. It'll be readily available for you. If you are a size actually 32 or 42 and up, then you are fighting with me, fighting for your life with me to try and procure these very coveted sizes. So let me get into all of the goodies that I picked up today. I'm so excited to share them with you. All right. The first item is in this little box. Okay, this is the receipt, I believe. All right, just tuck that over there. There was a bunch already in store and there was a good amount of Kelly's. Okay, so I will say that for the commercial collections, there aren't any reserves. So that's really good news. If you are just trying to get a bag and you don't necessarily already have a SA at Chanel, then the odds are in your favor for this collection because there are no pre-reserves. So it's kind of anybody's game once it opens up on the 25th. This one I was not planning on getting. But did you see with the tag? But as soon as I saw her, look, it's the mini Kelly 22. Do I have my Kelly behind me? Oh yeah. So here's the full size version. Oh, she's too tall. She's out of shot. Well, you can compare the bottom lengths. Here's the full size version that I got in a collection last year. And then this is the mini SLG version. This retails for $2,850 here in the States. She has sequins throughout. She's so glittery, pretty, cute. Literally it just holds a lip gloss and cards. You have to have your phone out or you have to give it to your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend with a larger bag, someone. You cannot fit your phone in this bag, but that's totally okay. That's not the point. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to get this, it's like fully sealed all the way around. All right, let me try and pick off the tape. And of course I like weirdly turned the heater on before I started filming. So I'm like sweating. Okay, come on tape, let's go. Oh my gosh, the phone's blowing up. Here, how freaking cute is that? Inside is a little one card holder. It's really tiny in there. It's leather lined. This one is, remember when we used to always check where the bags were made? Do some people still do that? Made in Italy, like most SLG are. It's teeny tiny, but it's a really cute crossbody bag. And it's just so fun for like dinner, going out. It's just a little extra sparkly thing. Look at the glitter. I'm dead. I'm so happy it's showing up on camera because I feel like in photos, it doesn't do this justice. This is so good. And I've totally butchered the tissue paper now. Let me just throw this away. So that's the first item. Very, very excited about her. This is like a definite win. Major win. Okay. The next item is kind of an impulse buy, and I'm actually not 100% sure how it'll work out for me, but we're gonna give it a go. My essay was like, I think it'll work, so we'll see. In here, we have the white tights, and I don't know if you can see the print. Let me, oh, here, I can stick my hand in here. So I'm trying these in a size large. I'm told they're very stretchy. So we'll see. There's clover, CC, heart. Can you see that detail? Is it focused? I can't tell. I can't tell if it's focused or what. Maybe, oh, maybe if I Crazy person. All right. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So you can see here the CC, the heart. What is that a camellia? Oh, it's camellia flower and a clover. So that's a clover and that's a camellia, that's a CC, that's the heart, and it just repeats. They're so cute. They're kind of like fishnet style. They also had these in black. Oh, so they have the sizing here. Okay, perfect. So, okay, they are saying that a small is a 38 to 40, a medium is a 40 to a 42, and a large is a 40 to a 46. And that's great news for me because I wear a size 44, 46 really. That's French size. In US size, they do by height and weight, and I feel good about what I'm seeing here. So there you go. Those are those. I'm really excited. Let me see how much these were. I think they were $5.50. So that's absurd, but fun. I feel like it would look really good with this, with the pink skirt. Today I was wearing just regular Sheer-Tex nude tights, and it was functional, but not the cutest, you know? Okay. So there's that. There's that. This next item is very unusual. This is like a new item that I don't think they've produced before, but it's it seemed very functional to me. And I also really liked the color. So this one comes in one of these. And this is a wallet / passport holder. Let me show you. So inside it has this flap for your passport, or you could even put like an agenda in there. I don't know. Somebody called it an agenda holder and I was like, I don't think so, but maybe you could. There's a zippered area for coins and card slots, and then bills. So it's like a full-on wallet that your passport fits into, which I think is really good for travel. This retailed for $9.50 and it's in the color pink, and it's a really cute color pink. I wonder, I think it's like this. I think it's actually like kind of left-handed. Right-handed? I don't know, but it's really cute. Okay, so that's that. The last item, you guys, I'm debating whether or not to unbox this because I just don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Actually, on the ride home, so the item that I originally wanted was this tweed SLG backpack, and they didn't have it, and I looked at it in the black and I thought it wasn't right, but it's also hard because it's wearing all pink, and so with the black, yeah, it totally wasn't right. But then, and so then I saw this one, and I'll put a picture in, and it was really cute, and it looked like a little dumpling, like I wanted to bite it, and it was like so good. But actually, here's the thing, is like I was thinking about it for travel, but the reality is when you're traveling, you're not going to be wearing something on your back. So I'm bigger. It doesn't really look good on my back. It looks good carried like this, or like slung to one side. And I thought, you know what, maybe after all, the SLG would be more functional because I could put a crossbody in the front when I'm like on the move, like, you know, then throw a jacket or something over, but then I could sling it over my shoulders. And then I'm just really more into tweeds right now. So I'm actually not going to unbox this because I want to sleep on it. I know that's like such a, no, it's not a cop-out or anything. It's just reality. That's just reality. Sometimes, you know, I'm not 100% sure. And so before I open it and like get into it or anything like that, I want to be 100% sure that it's for me. And I know that with these items and the tights, I'm like 100% happy. Like this is so deliciously good. Like this is like really good. I'm now seeing it here. I'm like really happy. So I think I'll wait until tomorrow morning to open that if I do it all, and maybe just wait for the tweed backpack. So that's the situation. If you want to see more items that I saw in the store today, make sure you're following me on Instagram because I posted a reel there. I also posted a different one to TikTok that kind of showed all the different items that were in store today. And I want to hear what you're going to get from this collection. And I wish you guys all a really happy shopping launch day coming soon. Okay, have a great night, you guys. Bye.